Hello guys, my name is Anatoly and I'm an inventor. Today I want to share my recent life hack with you. If you own GoPro camera, so you consider to probably buy a holder for it, I want to share my life hack and show you how to enhance your old cell phone holder and make it more useful so you can use your GoPro camera instead. Now I want to show you in details how it looks and how it works. So basically I just put together this little metal part that came out with my regular cell phone holder and I glued it up to the GoPro base. So in this case those parts are pretty much holding together, and that's it. So what you just need to put it on a place and adjust it to the way you like it, and that's it. That's how it works. And as I said, this is the universal cell phone slash GoPro holder, so you don't need to buy any additional accessories for GoPro because they are extremely expensive in the first place. And you can use them both for your cell phone if you need it, and for your GoPro camera if you want to use it as a camera to record yourself, or use it as a video recorder during your drive. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and I will feed you with new cool things, new ideas, new life hacks. So I'll see you soon. Bye now.